Piles of junk across the streets, but people just walk and pass by with their feet. Fields of green are fields of doom. Oh, how I hope my child can see it bloom. Rivers of life, now rivers of death. When I see it, I can't catch my breath. Forests are where animals can breed, but trees are all gone because of greed. There must be something that we can still do. But do you still care with the things around you? Always remember that God counts on you. So give Mother Nature life that's brand new.